How to maintain trailer hub bearings. In order to ensure maximum driving safety, trailer bearings are recommended to be maintained every 2 to 3 months. Bearing maintenance is mainly to adjust the clearance. Add lubricating oil to check for water ingress. Maintenance steps: remove the shaft head decoration cover. Remove nuts and tires. Be careful not to hit the threads on the tire bolts. In the case of disc brakes, the brake should be removed and then the lock ring should be removed with hand pliers. Remove the hub with professional tools. Clean off the lubricating oil on the bearing and dry the inner cavity of the bearing and hub. If the bearing and the seat ring have cracks and fatigue fall off. Bearing rolling loose. Heating phenomenon. Bearings should be replaced. After checking the bearings, apply lubricating oil to the bearing and put it into the hub.